We want to ensure that every veteran across America, anybody who's eligible for their VA loan, can have access to the full scope of what the VA offers them as a home loan benefit.
Typically, what are your comps at? You know, hey, I'm buying at $400,000. Well, my comps are at 385, 403, and 415, and this one's bigger. That one's a little bit, you know, it's a range. So the difference between 400 and 403, you know, the appraiser's really getting down to some of the art there instead of the science. That's where, you know, a little bit of seller credit's not a big deal. By offering 403, 500, is your seller paying more or buyer paying more than they had to? Yeah, $3,500 more. Is that going to raise their payment? Yeah, $3,500 is going to add about 25 bucks a month. So are they paying this $3,500 fee? Yeah, $25 a month at a time over the next 30 years. So it's really just a shell game of money that you end up playing here. Is this a desirable thing? Well, the other choice, assuming the agent credit doesn't work, is I can cover this as a lender. You know, covering $3,500 worth of bills on a $400,000 purchase, that's about a point. That's probably going to be around 1/4%. So instead of somebody getting a 4% loan, they're going to get a 4.25% loan. What is that going to do to their payment? Well, 1/4% on all $400,000 is going to raise their payment by about 60 bucks a month. So which do we want to do? Mr. Seller, we play this game and my payment's about $25 a month higher, or Mr. Lender, we play this game and my payment's about $60 a month higher. That's why seller credit is the first choice. When you hit the sellers that say, no, 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 I refuse, I won't play, and your buyer goes, but this is it, this is the dream home, I've been shopping for 6 months, oh my gosh, this is it. Then you pay the $60 higher a month, you write the contract to say request 0 seller credit, and you get it closed. Because interest rates could go up 1/4% tomorrow anyway. So we're talking about the difference between 4 and 4.25. It's still an awesome number. And if that's the dream home, then that's the way you sometimes get deals closed when you hit those situations where the seller says, I'm not willing to do seller credit. Fine. The seller doesn't have to pay if they don't want to. We can still make those negotiations happen.